Hello and welcome to Everyday English Treats. Today's word of the day is insightful. Let's learn what it means. Insightful means showing a deep and accurate understanding of a person, situation, or idea. An insightful person offers thoughtful observations that help others understand things better. Here's an example. Her insightful comments helped the team understand the problem from a new perspective. This means she shared thoughtful ideas that provided a deeper understanding of the situation. Now it's your turn. Can you create your own sentence using the word insightful? Comment down below. Happy learning with Everyday English Treats. Until next time, take care and keep practicing your English. Learn a little, speak a little, and grow a little every day. See you soon!